Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Suzie Cue. Gonna play you a new song. It's very exciting. I finally finished it. It's been like half done for a really long time, and then I just kept staring at it in a notebook and couldn't finish it. But I did it. I finally did it. So here it is. It's called The Long Way. I want you to get better. You got to want it too. I want to write a letter. Got some things to say to you. You gotta quit your drinking, tearing you apart. 'Cause now you got me thinking that you just don't have the heart to tell me what you want to say, to finally tell the truth about how you feel and all the things you think I did to you. If you take the long way, you might just figure it out. If you take a shortcut, you might just cut yourself down. I should have left you there, drunk in the parking lot. I could have left you there all alone to rot. I could have left you sooner, but love can make you dumb. I would have been gone sooner if you hadn't led me on, thinking that you cared about me, to think that you're my friend. I swear to God it's true, I loved you up until the very end. If you take the long way, you might just figure it out. If you take a shortcut, you might just cut yourself down. I didn't want to leave you in the shape you were in, but I could not believe you. All those lies did me in. If you take the long way, you might just figure it out. If you take a shortcut, you might just cut yourself